Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix consent required here in your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay I will start our video now. So the consent required on Instagram is actually a really good thing, guys. So if you go to your Instagram, how you can enable is that, let me go ahead, open my Instagram app, and if you tap on your profile icon over here, tap on this three horizontal line, go to settings option, given, tap on the security and tap on this two-factor authentication. So actually the consent required notification comes because you have enabled this. If you have enabled that, then whenever somebody else will try to log in who has your information of your account, like your email, your password, your contact details, anything, or trying to hack your account, you will get an approval request from here in your Instagram, right? So you will get a request. So it's a good thing for you to turn this on. If you would like to turn that off, you can go ahead, turn it off from over here. If you would like to keep it, then you can come over here and again set your two-factor authentication from Instagram itself. So whenever somebody else will, or even if you will try to log in from another device or another app which requires your account's information, you will get a notification right there in Instagram where you will have to approve the request. It will show you the location from where it's trying to log in, and you can approve or deny, do anything with it. So yes guys, this is it about the consent required on Instagram issue. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.